Hello everyone, we are Abir Saha and Shahnewaz Karim Sakib, and we welcome you all to our presentation on our Matlab project. The objective of our Matlab project is to develop a 2D pattern recognition algorithm to detect a specific character from a finite number of points. Like all other groups, our group was given a set of 9 characters. We are asked to develop an algorithm that can recognize these 9 characters along with 2 additional characters of our own choice. These are the characters that our code should be able to recognize. Now I'll give a brief description of our approach. Our code does not use a general algorithm to detect the characters. Instead, we have used distinct functions for the recognition and drawing of each of the characters. Here are some examples of these functions. The purpose of each function is to try to recognize its assigned character. If it succeeds, this function will also draw it. If the function succeeds in recognizing and drawing the character, it will return 1 to this main m file. Otherwise, it will return 0. During developing the functions, we have used multiple approaches for recognition. Some of the functions that were prepared at the early stage of development mainly involve basic slope and distance calculation and comparing them with some standard values. We have recognized the exclamatory sign and capital E using this approach. The functions that we developed later mainly involve finding the terminal points of a character. To achieve this, we have used the conval function. Using the terminal points obtained from this function, we have tried to develop a skeleton of the particular character. After preparing the skeleton, we went back to basic slope, angle and distance comparisons to recognize the character. To explain how our code works, we'll take the character F as an example. You can see some points on the screen which can form the letter F. Now, we can see from observation that the main points needed to construct the skeleton of this letter are A, B, C, D and another secondary point E. At first, we tried to recognize the points A, B, C, D using the convex function. After finding these 4 points, the code will try to recognize the points A and B by taking the 2 consecutive points with the largest distance. After that, the function will find out the points that fall almost on the same line with AB and AC. Finally, the function will verify if the remaining points fall almost on the same line with D and E. If they do, the function will recognize the character as F and will also draw it. Now that I have given a summary of our approach, it's time to show some results. Take this particular set of points for example. Let me run the code. As you can see, for this set of points, my code recognizes the character F. Now for this second set of coordinates, if we run the program, you will see that our code recognizes the character E. Let's take another set of points. For this set, if we run the code, you will see that our code recognizes the character delta. Let's take this set of points as our final example. If we run the code now, we will see that our code recognizes the character H. Throughout this video, we have tried to give you an idea about our project. We hope you are satisfied with our work and you will be considerate about the limitations. A good day to you all. Thank you.